guys! Welcome back to our vlog. So, today is Sunday, February 8. And eto, andito kami sa bahay. Bumili kami ng ganito kanina sa Target. Nag-Target kami. Kailangan nila to for school ni Calix. So, ayan. Nagsulat na siya dito ng pangalan ng classmate niya. So, ito yung total ng mga bibigyan namin ng Oreo para sa Friday. Valentine's Day. So, si Calix, siya ang magsusulat. So, natapos niya na yung isa. Okay. Next one na. You can put your name too, okay? So, you can have one too. Okay, put your name. Same like that. Good job. Okay. Okay, next one. Uh-oh. What is really her name? Amariana? Maybe you can just put Amari. Okay. Just put that one. Amari, and that's it. Because it's too long. Done? Okay. How about letter I? Put I there. There we go. Okay, next. Next one is Damien.
Okay. Done, guys.
Okay, so tapos na si Calix. Nakagawa siya ng 22 na goodies for his classmate. Ayan. Good job. High five. Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. So today is Sunday, February 15th and tapos lang namin magsimba. On the way kami ngayon sa Kins para bumili ng foods. Pupunta kami ng Arctic Valley para mag snow tubing. So ang ganda ng weather ngayon pero medyo mahangin. So ayan guys. Right here, over there. Wala yun.
Hindi, Sarating side. Pero dito dati nakalagay eh. Sa... What's that? Hi, can I get 2 Kenya combo, please?
Alright, and your drinks?
Both of them is Coke.
Alright, chicken near combos with the Coke.
Yes. That'll be all.
Alright, to the 998. Thanks for the video.
Thank you. Yes.
Any ketchup in it?
Sure. Give me this. That one.
Did she hear?
Okay guys, so nakabili na kami ng pagkain. So punta na kami doon sa Arctic Valley. Ayan, so sa parking lot na lang kami ng Arctic Valley Ski Area kakain. So tara, let's go!
May bayad ba parkingan dito?
Wala. Nandito na kami guys sa parking lot. Naghahanap lang kami ng mapaparkingan. That's it guys.
Saan tayo?
Ito ang view namin. Nanonood kami ng mga nag-i-ski. Thank you. Tag-isa kayo yun na mami. Here, Calix. Kali dito. Ha? Oh no. Wait. Ay. Parang pambagahe. Okay, sign ng waiver. Okay guys, tapos na kami mag-sign ng waiver. Papunta na kami doon sa may snow tubing. So pagkalabas dito, dire-diretso lang doon, tatawid lang uphill. Let's go! Watch out for the ski. Walang nag-snow tubing. 1:12 na, 1:30 kami, pero ewan kung pwede na. Bakit pala nakakahingal na gas? Pili kayo. Yeah? Okay guys, so we still have, I think, ano oras na? Naghintay lang kami nung mag-ooperate, wala pa.
That's so cute. Look at Callie. Take a picture.
May ganito rin.
Okay, let's go guys! This is it! Okay. Oh, Calix! Line! Go line! You too! Give it to me. Woo! Let's go! Parang hindi komportable itong nakuha ko yung tube ah. Ah! Calix!
There you go.
Thank you. Stand up, Calix. You stand up. Good. Take it. Stand up, Quincy. Come on here. May tayo kayo. Okay. There we go.
I see.
Ha? We'll do the ano muna yon, yung madali, yung diretso lang. Isa-isa tayo. When you reach the end, you have to stand up right away or else you're gonna go back slide again.
Alex, watch me, ah.
You watch Daddy first.
Please start all the way at the blue line.
The blue line, Daddy.
Yeah, Father.
Go! You wanna do it next, Quincy? You have to wait to Daddy to reach the blue line there. Just wait. Okay, Quincy. Ha?
Itong hawak.
Kayo bahala, nasa diskarte nyo yan.
You're all holding on to each other's feet.
Yay! Okay na kaya? Pagdating nyo sa dulo, tayo na agad kayo. Itong ano, ilagay nyo yan, tama yan. Tapos pila ulit kayo, ganun lang, pabalik-balik. My turn. Oh!
Dapat sa blue.
All right, next one. Woo! Betty! Woo! Ay! Thank you. What's that? Where do you want? Where do you want to go? You want to go here? We can do two.
I got college.
Okay. You want? Oh, sige, silang dalawa na lang, Daddy.
Silang dalawa.
Hindi yan. Basta magkakapit lang sila. Wait for them. Tayo dalawa, Daddy. Hintayin natin sila, Mami. Woo! No.
Dalawa.
And, okay. 1, 2,
1, 2.
3. Woo! Wow!
Grabe din. Uy, sana po.
Woo!
Dito malapit. Diba?
Ayan.
Kasi dito malayo eh.
Nalalayo kayo.
Ito nasa unahan ka na, oh. Diba?
Ito na mga malapit lang daw sila para madaling makaahon. Ang mga thunders. Enjoy. This is our last one, guys. Mag-3 na. Nag-solo si Daddy. Ayun na siya. Ano, are you guys gonna do solo? Okay, let's do solo then. Teka lang, ibig muna yung... Calix, wait. Ate first.
Go.
Si Calix. Isa-isa, solo-solo. Whee! Calix. Ay, na-stuck. Bye! Kayo muna, ako na huli.
Bagong bus na yan.
Yeah, pang ano na sila, pang 3 to 4:30 naman.
Anong oras?
1.5.
Miguel,
Ala,
magkakain eh.
magaan kasi siya eh.
Gusto ko.
Okay, mami. I-try nyo umano, nakatami. Nakadapa.
Okay lang, doon ba?
Hintayin nyo. Oh, sige, kayo. Yeah, sumami naman yun eh. Go! Let's go! Woo! Oh no! Aray ko. That's it, guys! Woo! That was fun!
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Next year.